Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we're diving into a kitchen gadget that brings health and freshness right into your home, the best electric oil press machine. If you're someone who loves cooking with natural ingredients or wants full control over the oils you use, this machine could be your new favorite appliance. Let's get started. Product features: high efficiency and oil yield. Thanks to its robust stainless steel construction and efficient heating system, it delivers a high oil output from dried materials. No waste, just maximum extraction. Foldable and space-saving design. Don't worry about counter space. When not in use, it folds down compactly, ideal for small kitchens or minimalist setups. Auto temperature control. No need to hover over the machine. It automatically adjusts the temperature for optimum oil extraction, which means more hands-off convenience. Smokeless and odorless operation. You can use this machine indoors without needing extra ventilation. It runs cleanly, without smoke or strong smells, a huge plus for indoor use. Versatile applications. It works with a wide variety of raw materials, from traditional options like peanuts and sesame to lesser-used ones like perilla seeds or even licorice. It's a great tool for the culinary explorer. Pros: high oil yield with minimal waste. Foldable, compact design that saves space. No need to preheat or pre-fry materials, just dry them. Quiet, smokeless operation for indoor comfort. Supports many seed types for homemade oils. Simple to use, even for beginners. Cons: limited batch capacity. It's great for small households, but not designed for large-scale oil production. Moisture-sensitive materials. Seeds and nuts need to be well dried before use, which adds a prep step. Final thoughts. To sum it up, the Kingo T1 electric oil press machine is a compact, efficient, and user-friendly tool for anyone who values natural living and wants more control over the oils they consume. It's perfect for health-conscious home cooks, foodies experimenting with different flavors, or even DIY skincare creators who want custom oil blends. While it's not built for bulk production, it excels in everyday, small-batch oil pressing, all from the comfort of your kitchen. If that sounds like the kind of appliance you've been looking for, check the price link in the description below. And don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and bell so you never miss out on the best home tech and kitchen gear here on Tech Kingo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.